And we're back to learning JavaScript. Let me show the findLastIndex method. Works the same way as the findLast method, but in this case it doesn't give you the element, it gives you the index of the element. That's true. We print out our array here, just a bunch of numbers again. Now I'll set up a function. We'll call it lastIndex. We want to go through the elements of the array and then check which element is, let's say we wanted to find the 18. So I make that smaller than 37, 36. As long as it's bigger than 19 and smaller than 37, it should find it. Now we use our method .findLastIndex on our array, and inside we'll call the function. And there you go. We have 6, which is the index of 18. So if we go through that, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 18 has the 6th index in our array. To make that 18, we'll get the 5th position, which is the 5. And that's how I can use this method in JavaScript. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.